What is up, my friends? Dan DeSilva here, the CEO of eCom Dudes. Now, today I have something really particular to talk to you about, and it's something that I've been getting a ton of questions on, and this video is going to definitely answer that particular question. And that question is, well, how do I set up free plus shipping offers, yet still have standard shipping for certain items? Well, I have the answer for you, right now. So with that being said, enjoy this video, and I'll see you in literally probably 11 minutes.
All right, my friends. So right here, right now, I'm actually going to be going over shipping rates. Now I'm going to go ahead and cover the free plus shipping and standard shipping as well. Just flat out, if your item costs, $20, you're going to add shipping to it. That's fine as well. So what I actually want to go ahead and show you here is essentially what's happening with the free shipping and the item shipping and the in-between numbers. So as you can see, I actually highlighted one in yellow, one column in yellow, and another column in red. So as you can tell, these are going to overlap each other. So when you're actually going ahead and creating a free plus shipping or just a standard shipping in your store, you're going to have to realize that there will be an overlap in some instances. Again, that's completely fine. That's 100% something that is fine, but you need to keep in mind that, some of your margins might be like $2, and if you do it for free plus shipping, it might be $6. All right, so you just have to keep that in mind before you get started, and you'll see exactly what I mean when we actually go ahead and fulfill these shipping type of rules, these shipping rules, these variables for shipping. So again, I'm going to start off with free shipping. All right, so if somebody orders 1, it's going to be 0.5. If they order 2, it'll be 1. If they do 3, it'll be 1.5, etc. So that's exactly the rules that I'm going to be setting for my free plus shipping offers. Again, you can play around with your prices as you like. Just keep in mind that you're really going to have to determine what you would like to do over here. So with that being said, I'm going to go here into my store, and we're actually going to go in and we're just going to go to shipping, right? So you have your standard shipping and heavy goods, etc. So what I'm going to do is just click standard shipping. And again, I'm going to leave these as is because I actually really like these. All right, so I'm just going to copy this. And actually, I'm going to hit cancel over here. Rather than that, let me just open this up again. And let's just start it from scratch just in case you want to see exactly how to do this. So let me just go and delete the shipping rate so we can just add this brand new. So, okay, what we're going to do here is go ahead and click add shipping rate. And I'm going to leave it standard shipping based on order weight. Now, check this out. I'm going to grab 0.5 and do $9.95. So let me just go back over here. Let me open this. All right. So we're going to just scoot this over and we're going to just type this in, minimum weight 0.5. And we're going to copy the maximum weight, same exact thing. And then we're going to do 9.95. All right. So again, we're just going to be filling in these shipping options. Pretty simple, right? So save it right here based on order weight. We're going to go ahead and add another shipping rate. We already did this one. So now let's go ahead and do 1. All right. Based on order weight, we're going to do 1.0 to 1.0. We're going to call this standard shipping, and that cost for the standard shipping is $18.95. So I'm going to click save. All right, so pretty simple on what we're doing over here. So again, we're going to go to 1.5 now, add shipping rate. We're going to do based on order weight, standard shipping. We're going to do 1.5 to 1.5, and the cost for the 1.5 is $27.95. We're going to save that. So again, you're going to go ahead and input these rates. And once you get to 7, I'll show you what happens when you get to 7. It'll be more so of a flat rate. But then we have over here, we have literally just the more so micro weight options for different pricing tiers. So over here, what you can do here is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.8, etc. So again, what we're doing over here, we're going to do 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and we're going to add these all in. So add shipping rate based on order weight, standard shipping, 0.1 all the way to 0.1. And the price for this is $4.95, and it's standard shipping yet again. So again, it'll just tack on to the top. And we're going to keep doing this. All right, we're going to add shipping rates, and we're going to go ahead, name it standard shipping. Let me just copy that because let's go 0.2 to 0.2. There we go. The shipping cost will be $5.95 on that one in particular. So let me just move this over. And let's go 5.95. We're going to save this. We're going to go based on order weight. All right. Let's see, which one did I just create over here? I created the 0.2. Now we're going to go 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. And the total for 0.3 is $7.95. All right. So we're going to go ahead and do 7.95. We're going to save this. We're going to go ahead and keep adding, well, basically more of these shipping rates. Add shipping rates. Now again, standard shipping, 0.4, 0.4. All right. So once we're at 0.4, it's $8.95. 8.95. We're going to click save. And here we are. All right. So we have 1, 2, we have 0.1 to 0.1, 0.2 to 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. Now we have 0.6 to 0.9 that we're going to have to fill in. Okay. So what I like to do over here when we're going ahead and trying to figure this out, right? So if we're going from 0.6 to 0.9, we're going to have to take an in-between. So for example, 0.6 to 0.9 average. If we take the average, let me go ahead and add these up. 18.95 plus 9.95. And we just go ahead and we divide it by 2. It would be 14.45. So I'm just going to put 14.95. So that would actually be 14.95. If I take the average of these two and set it for the weight over here, I'm going to show you right here. Again, standard shipping, 0.6 to 0.9. Now, again, I'm hitting the middle numbers, the in-between numbers from my standard shipping settings. So this one right here would literally be, why didn't it update it over here? I think I actually forgot to put it in, 14.95. So this one over here would be the middle in between what goes in $9.95 and $18.95. And again, you just keep on going and going and going and simply use this chart right here. Now, if you're going to be using free shipping, what I suggest you do over here, all right, is add a variation, add a shipping rate, because once you kind of pass a 3.1 weight, if you're doing it by these metrics over here, essentially what happens is 30 products, etc. You just need to go ahead and kind of have like a flat shipping rate. So if you're going to be doing this based on order weight, flat shipping, 3.1 to 200. And we can go ahead and leave the flat rate at, example, $79.99. All right. So again, that would be your flat shipping rate, which is pretty simple. You just have to go in and really add these all into your actual product. So how does it work with free plus shipping and adding products in? So with that being said, let me actually go to products to show you how this would come into play for us. Okay. So let me just scroll up over here, test product free plus shipping. All right. Images. You just go get a quick AliExpress image over here. Alrighty. Let me go and just search bracelet. Perfect. Okay. Just gonna grab this as an example. Let me just take a quick screenshot. Perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is just upload this really quickly. Let's go to desktop, screenshot. All right. So here we are. Again, price, we're just going to leave it at $0 compared to price $19.99. And again, the inventory stock keeping unit is, let's just go bracelet 01. Okay, so there we go. Inventory policy, you can just leave it as is. Shipping, here's where shipping comes into play. Let's say we want to charge $9.95. We're actually going to go ahead and do 0.5 for the shipping rate. So let me go over here. So as an example, I want to just go ahead and show you right here. I did 0.5 for my shipping rate. Now if we go to view, all right, I already added this to my cart, but it's over here. If I click checkout, it becomes $9.95 just for the shipping, okay? That's literally it. That's essentially all you have to do. And when you're doing this, all right, again, I learned this the hard way all the time. You're actually going to have to go ahead and add a new product just to test them out. You can't change the shipping inside because then the cache takes forever to update. So standard plus shipping. And I'm just going to put V2 for version 2. Let me copy this in here. And then scroll down over here. For the price, I'm just going to put $9. Alrighty. I don't want to charge taxes. So for standard, let me go ahead and grab 0.3 as the weight. So here we go. We're going to click Save Product. Now what I'm going to do is open up this product and view it over here. I'm going to click Add to Cart for the standard. I'm actually going to update the cart with that. Click Checkout. And here we are, $7.95 and $9. So again, this is shipping at its finest. Very simple, very easy. Just copy the chart and everything else kind of just flows perfectly. And just edit your shipping rates as you need. So with that being said, I hope the shipping was something that, well, you got a lot of use out of.
There's a lot to learn here when it comes down to free plus shipping. It's not just going out there and using a limit or min-maxify app to go ahead and limit the minimum and the maximum amount of items a user can order. Essentially, it's going to be overlapping. So what I encourage you to do is rewatch this again, this little tutorial, and implement it in your stores if you're going to be using free plus shipping. So again, I hope you enjoyed this valuable information and look out for other videos. And again, my name is Dan DeSilva, the CEO of eCom Dudes, and I look forward to seeing you very soon.